Welcome back to our Developer Basics course. During the previous video, we were working on a bare document model object to manipulate its properties. Have a close look at our existing code. Now take a look at the final result we'll have at the end of this video. You can see that we're dealing with a contract this time, plus its title and related customers list. In this video, you'll learn how to do this by transforming document model objects into your own business objects. We will make use of document adapters to achieve this goal. Document adapters wrap your document types, kind of like decorators, for those of you familiar with this Java design pattern. Transforming a document model into a business object is a one-line call, and from there you can provide access to any custom functionality related to this object. For example, by using a contract adapter here, I can access and set contract properties, and also call business logic related methods like the renew contract method. Note that the latter may very well make use of a contract management service under the hood, and that's exactly the point. The document adapter is there to provide a high-level implementation so that you have more freedom in refactoring and improving the core of your application. So let's start creating a document adapter. This can be done using the Nuxeo code generator. In a terminal window, change to your project directory and type yo Nuxeo adapter. You'll be prompted for the package name and the document type matching the adapter. In this case, we'll create one for the BC contract document type. Let's take a look at the generated files. We have 3 of them. The business object class is where we'll put our object-related methods. We'll get back to that later. The factory class will be used to check the conditions under which a document model might be turned into the corresponding business object. By default, we'll check for the document type and the Dublin core schema. Note that we could also add further conditions like checking for the BC contract and BC sales common schemas in this case. Finally, a contribution has been added in order to declare the adapter and its factory. As usual, this contribution is referenced in the bundles manifest file so that it will be deployed at server startup. Anyway, now that our adapter is generated, we can start completing it. Document title management is already part of the generated code in the adapter, so we can move on directly to the customers list. We'll copy the corresponding code from the test and paste it into a setCustomerFirstName method. For simplicity's sake, we'll assume that we will always be setting the first customer's first name here, although this is a multi-valued property. Same goes for the get method. As a final step, we should refactor our test method to use the contract adapter. As soon as a document model object is available, you can use its getAdapter method to transform it. We'll turn it into a contract now by passing our contract adapter as a parameter. From here on in, the rest is pretty easy. We simply have to replace the code with our adapter's methods. There. To ensure our refactoring went smoothly, we'll launch the unit tests. And they pass. Awesome. Let's sum up our final result. We used the Nuxeo generator to obtain a contract adapter. It's composed of 2 main files. The actual adapter, where we put the different methods that we want to expose for this business object, and the adapter factory that checks the condition to turn a document model into a contract. Be sure to adapt the conditions depending on the methods you expose in the adapter. The adapter and factory are declared through an XML contribution referenced in the bundles manifest file. That way, the adapter can be called anywhere by using the document model's getAdapter method, passing the adapter's class name as a parameter. Using document adapters is a good practice in Nuxeo application development, as they provide you with an important abstraction layer to make your application easy to write and maintain. In our next videos, we'll teach you about more possibilities to extend your application. Thanks for watching!